If you want to buy your hosting from Hostinger, then you are the right place, because in this video I will tell you step by step on how you can buy your hosting from Hostinger with special two of the finest coupon codes and getting discount as much as up to 91% off. So make sure to click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive discount link to buy your hosting from Hostinger, you will be landing to a page like this where you can see an amazing Hostinger deal running right now with their AI website builder. If you scroll below, you may find that Hostinger is being recommended by WordPress.org, Trustpilot, Google, hosted by WA Beginner. All of them says that Hostinger is an amazing first-class hosting company to buy your hosting. And if you look around in the Trustpilot reviews, because you can click and practically see what people are saying regarding Hostinger, you may be surprised to see that they got 4.7 ratings and almost everyone praising them for their services. So you may see I have hosted a few websites with them, never had much issues, services are professional and are always available. So you can see that all of them are very encouraging reviews, and the best thing with Hostinger is that all of the plans come with 30 days money back guarantee, making it a very preferred choice. Now these are the three most popular plans. You can get a discount on all of the plans. Make sure to click on the link in the description. And Hostinger also have Hostinger Horizon, where you turn your idea into reality, and Hostinger email marketing is superb. In case if you're coming from another hosting company, Hostinger has a dedicated website migration service. So either you have a one website or 100 website, they're going to transfer all of your website, that too free of cost. This is the control panel, also known as hPanel. Hostinger control panel is very friendly. Even a beginner or a newbie can use it without any issues or errors. And you can see that they have also have Kodi, the first AI agent for WordPress, making your chat by simple chat with very easy to communicate. Just have to give the command, it's automatically going to help you. Also, Hostinger don't compromise on speed, reliability and efficiency with 24/7 support, and the security features you are getting are just mind-blowing when you buy it. For instance, you are getting automatic backup, SSL security certificate, and Cloudflare protected name server technology. And at this moment, 4 million plus people are using Hostinger as a primary hosting company, and even I'm using it. So now if you want to buy, scroll above and simply select any plan. Guys, you are getting the coupon code discount in any of the plan. Make sure to click on the link in the description. For instance, if you are going with the premium plan, simply select the choose plan. But I recommend you guys to do a thorough research before you going to select any plan, depending upon your need and requirements. After this, once you select the choose plan, you will be redirected to another page where you can select your billing period. Now you can see that this is a special exclusive discount running right now for my audience. Grab it and select your billing periods. I recommend you to opt for the 48 months, so you can save the maximum amount of money, but you can choose other as well. Now with 48 months, you may see over here that you are getting 2 months extra free domain name, free setup, free domain privacy protection. And if you write this amazing coupon code, which you can find in the description of this video along with a special discount link, once you apply over here, you're gonna see that your price got a further discount on already running discount. So 10% with this, 2 months extra free, domain name setup free, making it around up to 91% off. Now there is another coupon code as well, so you can use either of the one. So once you apply over here, you may see that your price got a further discount. So now to buy, simply select the continue. You may be asked to log into your account. So now you can also synchronize with the Google account, and I have a Google account synchronized already. So I am now logged into my Google account. Now I'm writing my billing details over here. You can see that my discount coupon code is already applied. My 30 days money back guarantee is over here. Now after writing my billing details, simply select the continue and move on to the last part. And the last part is as amazing, and that is regarding doing payment methods. Now another good thing about Hostinger is that they offer you variety of payment methods to buy your hosting. You can pay by card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, and CoinGate. So you have so many options to choose. For instance, if you're going with a credit card, write credit card details and simply select the submit button. And within few minutes, you're going to get an email from Hostinger with all of your hosting account details. So the procedure is very quick, fast, and easy, and even a beginner or newbie can do it. I hope on welcoming all of you on Hostinger. So good luck with your hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.